children, let us start our poem I Am Every Woman, written by Rakhi Narayana Shekhey. Rakhi Narayana Shekhey is an academician with passion for writing poems as a medium of self-expression. See, what she thought in her mind, she thought of expressing it. To express that, she has taken the poems as her weapons, and she expressed herself through her poems. She is Rakhi Narayana Shekhey. She is a postgraduate with a bachelor's degree in education. So postgraduate with bachelor's degree in education. That's what about the poetess. She is the author of this poem. And now you see, this poem talks about the multifaceted nature of woman. So the capability of the woman. So the woman is capable of so many ways. She is equally good with men. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong and resolute. Very firm, strong, brave, empowered, strengthened. Today's women, they are always ready to take up new ventures. Any venture, any risk, any new risk means they are ready to take. Because I am a woman, I cannot do. It's not like that. Today's women are capable of doing all the works along with the men. They are persistent. Persistent means very determined, continuous struggle they do. Determined, persistent, very determined, and work tirelessly. They don't get tired. Continuously they work to prove what they are capable of. அவங்களால எவ்வளவு முடியும், என்ன முடியும், to prove that they work tirelessly. Women have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. So for the growth of the nation, the women should be treated respectfully. With all the respect, the women should be treated in the country. Which country treats the woman with all the respect, that country obviously grows up like anything. That's what the thought of the author, okay, poetess. The woman is beauty innate. What she is saying here, the woman is beauty innate. Innate means inborn itself, by nature, naturally inborn. The woman is beauty. Really she is beauty. That means not physical look, outer look. The author is not saying. She is saying woman is beauty means overall she is so beautiful. In her soul is beauty. That's what. A symbol of power and strength. She is a woman, is a symbol of power, and she is a symbol of strength. She has all powers within her, and she has such a great strength within her. She puts her life at stake. See, she keeps her life under risk. Stake means risk, danger. She keeps her life under danger. She is real. She is not fake. She never tries to be fake. She fights like a hero, and she stands for all the difficulties. She is real. She is not fake. She is ready to keep her life under all risk. Next, second stanza we see. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. Yes, summer of life means difficulties. So even in the summer of life, in the times of difficulty also, in that period also, she is capable of seeing spring. She sees the happiness in the difficulties also. What she says, spring will come again. Spring will come again, my dear. Like that she says. Dear, we get back the spring once again. Like that she says. So when someone is facing all the difficulties, கஷ்டமா இருக்கும்போது she says, என்ன சொல்வாங்க தெரியுமா, women, இந்த கஷ்டம் எப்பவுமே அப்படியே இருக்காது. We see all the happiness. Like that she says and convinces. Let me care for the ones who are near. What she thinks, யார் என்கிட்ட இருக்கிறாங்களோ, let me care for the ones who are around me. Maybe the relatives, maybe the friends, maybe the children, and who and all people around her. Let me care for the ones who are near to me. என் சுற்றி இருக்கிறவங்க கேர் எடுக்கிறது, that's my duty, like that woman thinks. She is the woman, she has no fear. பயமே கிடையாது உமனுக்கு, சரியா? she is the woman. strong is she in her faith and beliefs. அவங்க நம்பிக்கை எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, ஏதாவது நம்பிட்டாங்கன்னா அந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருப்பாங்க. she is strong in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything. For women, persistence, that means continuous effort, is the key to everything. For women, what is her success means? Persistence, that means continuous effort. That is the key to everything. If you want to achieve anything, what you need persistence, that means continuous effort. அந்த எஃபர்ட் வைக்கிறது தான் அது, that is the main key for everything that she knows. says she, that's what a woman says. Despite the sighs, groans and moans, so whatever the griefs are there, the difficulties are there, or the sadness is there, or the displeasure is there, so in fact sighs, groans and moans meaning same. That's what sadness, pain, displeasure, whatever it is, whatever it is, despite எதுவா இருக்கட்டும், she is strong in her faith. அந்த உமனோட ஃபெய்த் மட்டும் மாறவே மாறாது. what she believes, she believes that, like that. she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief, very strong in her belief. she stands like that. she is a lioness, don't mess with her. so a woman, she is a lioness போல நிற்பாங்க. whatever, let it come, I'll face, like that she stands. don't mess with her, that means don't trouble. mess means giving trouble. don't mess with her, don't go and fight with her, don't provide trouble to her, don't face her by providing all difficulties to her, like that Rakhi Narayana Shukki is saying. Okay, who is lioness? The woman is lioness. she is a lioness. a woman is a lioness. that's why don't mess with her, don't trouble her. she will not spare you. if at all you give trouble to her means அவங்க உன்னை விடமாட்டாங்க. she won't spare you. if you are a prankster, நீ ஒரு prankster-ஆக இருந்த, prankster means one who provides mischievous works, that means one who acts as a mischievous person, you call him as a prankster. okay, ஸோ அப்படி ஏதாவது மிஸ்ச்சுவஸாக பிஹேவ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா she won't spare you, விடமாட்டாங்க அவனை, because she is a lioness. don't ever try to saw her pride, her self respect. உமனுக்கு என்ன செல்ஃப் ரெஸ்பெக்ட்? உமனுக்கு அவ்வளோ ப்ரைடு இருக்கக்கூடாது, கர்வம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்படி டோன்ட் திங்க் லைக் தேட். அவங்களோட செல்ஃப் ரெஸ்பெக்ட்னு டச் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, அவங்க ப்ரைடு டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆகிற மாதிரி நெவர் ட்ரை. இஃப் யூ ட்ரை லைக் மீன்ஸ் ஷீ நோஸ் ஹவு டு தா யூ. தா மீன்ஸ் புட் யூ டவுன். உன்னை எப்படி சமாளிச்சுட்டு எப்படி டிஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறது, எப்படி மேக் யூ டவுன், she knows very well how to put you down. Ta means how to put you down, she knows very well. so be aware, beware. அதனால் beware means be aware. அதனால் ஜாகிரதையாக இரு. don't touch her pride and self respect, and don't behave like a prankster with her. that means don't do all mischievous behavior towards her, and then don't mess with her, don't shoot up trouble towards her, because she is a lioness, she won't spare you. so don't do all this. if at all you do, she thaw you, that means she put you down. அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும் உன்னை எப்படி சமாளிக்கிறது. okay, she is today's woman. woman is today's woman. அந்த காலத்தில் கிடையாது, இந்த காலத்து woman. she is today's woman. today's woman, dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. what you have to do, அவங்களுக்கு you give your love towards her, you give your respect to her, and keep her near. உன் பக்கத்துலேயே வச்சுக்கோ, சரியா? respect her, கொடுக்க வேண்டிய மரியாதை கொடுத்துடு. love her, give your உன்னோட affection அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டு she is today's woman. Why means she is today's woman. Today's woman dear, அதனால today woman, she is really highly capable. So that's the reason you don't disturb her. If you respect, if you provide love, and if you keep her near you, and she will do each and everything. She is really capable. That's what Rakhi Narayana Shirki, she is saying through her poem I am every woman. This is a memory poem, star is there, so you have to by heart all the lines. Okay, you have to by heart all the lines from this poem. Okay, and question and answers you had written. No, that question and answers, first 10 we had written, next 10 while speaking first I said 5, so for 10 totally 20 questions for the prose. Okay, with this I stop. Next class I meet you. Thank you children.